So I was trying to get creative with this space here we have in the corner of our kitchen that ended up just being a catch-all for our vacuum, our broom, our paper towels, our toilet paper. And so what I did is I purchased these towel racks so that we could store our toilet paper here. I also had paper towels up here, and I needed two to kind of get the most space out of this wall. And they're 31 inches in length, and they come out almost about 6 inches, and they're about 8.5 inches in width. And so it's perfect. I have one roll here and one roll here. So each towel rack, which is 3 bars, can hold 2 rolls and then 1 full roll of paper towel. And it fits in nicely. It's really easy to get out. And I put them nice up and high because I have my water rack here. But it is just a night and day. I'll show you a before picture and an after, and it has just really allowed me to utilize this space better and get some more organization. So I would encourage you to think about what other things you can store in here besides your towels. Now with these two, I could also put equipment here like baseball bats or tennis racks or just anything that can fit across. So you can get really creative with it. So I definitely recommend these. They're very sturdy. They were really easy to install. I did it myself with just a hand drill. And if you're looking for a way to just optimize some space other than just using them for the towel racks, I recommend these.